Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to introduce you how to use a large language model to do the video surveillance. We all know that with the advent of deep learning, about 10 years ago, we see actually a huge surge using deep learning to do the video surveillance. The typical application like facial recognition and object detection, OCR for license plate recognition, and the action recognition, for example, detecting fight and a human fall and those stuffs. But recently, like about 2 years ago, we actually see something called generative AI, large language model. And from starting last year, we see something called a multimodal LLM. Basically, now LLM can not only just understand in text, but it also can understand the visual, audio, and also can generate a voice and make pictures and create videos. All sorts of new capabilities. So today we are going to introduce you how to use the multimodal LLM to do the video surveillance. Right? About 2 days ago, I saw this very interesting GitHub open source project. It's called Intelligent Video Surveillance Load Systems. And let's look at the video processing flow. The video input post, video processor, and frame, and also multimodal. So it generates all the batch frames and going to multimodal analyze and it generates the content and then using DeepSeek or ChatGPT to generate the description text, and then using the LLM to detect the abnormal behaviors. Then the user actually can query and ask the system what's going on like a human, and then the LLMs can give you all the summarize and give you the video clips. So let's look at the alert flow here. The anomaly detections, alert service, and if you see the abnormal behaviors, going to push to the client and also can give you the abnormal video, okay, and the screenshot, okay. And at the same time, it's going to push all the video frames, go to something called a vector database. So each frame's going to be summarized into a text along with the tag to the original video clip put in a video data frames. So when the user query, it's first going to do the semantic search to search the database and find the behaviors and then push the results to the users. So the main features is a real-time video analysis and abnormal detections and real-time alert and abnormal recording. So actually, in the deep learning stage, we are able to see all those applications a long time ago. But what's the uniqueness of this multimodal LLM is that right now we don't rely on those data. For example, for abnormal detection, we normally going to ask the user to provide us with a sample video footage. For example, okay, you see fighting, we are going to ask the end user, can you provide this fighting video clips, right? So in order to deploy certain new applications, we need to keep asking our users to collect those fighting videos. And this is going to prevent us from implementing these AI algorithms. But with the advent of this multimodal, since the LLM actually serves as a foundation, and we don't rely on the user to provide this footage, we're just using the general knowledge acquired by the LLM, and then user can easily query the system, just like you're talking to a real human, and this human can go quick searching all this history database and send those data to the users. Do you think it's really a good idea? So in the end of the video, I'm going to show you some sample applications, and you will see.